above, nice and warm if you like that, and windy.
Yeah, dew
Very
point temperatures, we talk about that quite frequently. It's the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, and during the summer months, it's in the low 70s at this hour. It's in the low 70s, and here we are close to winter.
Why it feels
it feels kind of sticky out there.
Yeah.
We are looking at beautiful photos sent in from Norm Schimmel. Golden Gate Point, you can see that, the sun setting right there, looking out over toward the Ringling Bridge, and a beautiful sunset it was, too, with fair skies around. A lot of rainfall falling in a place that needs it over the southeast after experiencing a severe drought over the summer and throughout much of this fall now. They've had some excessive rainfall into Georgia, also spreading off towards South Carolina and now into Mississippi. More rain on the way. The area of low pressure is right here. It continues to move off. The cold front associated with it is all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico. The first front that moves through tomorrow late afternoon, early evening, will cool us down a little bit on Wednesday, not much, but really the second one that'll move through on Thursday late will really chill us out on Friday and Saturday morning. A tornado watch still in effect. There's a lot of big storms out here in the Gulf of Mexico, and I tell you what, a lot of lightning associated with this as well, all pushing off to the northeast. But notice, not much going on here at all. The showers are well offshore and will stay that way throughout the early morning hours. So we don't have to worry about anything severe breaking out during the early morning hours. But after sunrise tomorrow and up until about, say 10, 11 o'clock, we'll start to see showers and storms moving on in. We talked about this earlier. This is not rain. Again, it's just some chaff from some of the military exercises that are taking place off of the Keys there down off Key West. Now, as far as the overall forecast goes, the low pressure area will track off to the northeast away from us. We'll see that front move through. Temperatures behind the front will cool down. A little drier air will move in on in through late Wednesday, and then eventually another cold front moves through on Thursday. So there's also potential for some sea fog. We saw this happen last week when an area of sea fog developed and shut down the Sunshine Skyway for a temporary period of time. Well, with that west to southwesterly wind out ahead of the actual front, we may see a little bit of that along the coastline and a few miles inland. Also, there's a possibility of strong storms on Tuesday, and then another cold front, a stronger one at that, moving through on Thursday. Well, the first one will arrive just after sunrise. Bring with it some showers and storms. This is at Tuesday at 9 a.m. And you can see the depiction of some scattered thunderstorm activity. And even through 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still some showers and storms around. By 7:30, most of the rain will have cleared, and we're looking for at least some clearing by tomorrow night. And then again, another front on the way for Thursday. As far as rainfall totals go, looks like most everyone will get at least a half inch of rainfall. The rain really starts to accumulate after 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. As I mentioned, up to maybe an inch, inch and a half in the areas that you see blue there. And that may change. Don't expect it to be exactly this location. This is one forecast model suggesting that we will see, though, a half inch to an inch of rainfall. There is a potential for thunderstorms tomorrow morning and into the early afternoon, and the potential for tornadic activity very small for us here, but we'll have to keep an eye on it very closely. As far as the winds go, they'll stay brisk out of the south throughout the overnight hours, anywhere from 10 to 15, gusts as high as 20. Those winds will eventually switch around more to a west-northwesterly direction once the front moves through tomorrow late. 77 right now, the dew point way up there, 72 degrees, and the high today was 84. That's close to the record of 86. 67 was the morning low. No rainfall. We could use a little bit. It's been dry so far for much of this fall. As far as the forecast goes, tomorrow showers and storms developing, especially late morning, early afternoon. Some of those could be rather strong at times. Temperatures, heat index, not a problem, but it sure seems like it as temperatures are expected to warm up. Well, here's a look at the boating forecast for us. We are looking for a bit of a breeze out there and some fog around, a moderate chop and south winds at 10 to 15 knots. Seas will be running 2 to 4 feet. And as far as the extended forecast goes, 70% chance for showers and storms tomorrow, and then some sunshine, still rather mild on Wednesday, cooler on Thursday, and then that stronger front moves through Thursday evening, and highs on Friday only into the mid-60s.